Perrysburg, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor License Bond. What is the Perrysburg, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor License Bond? The Perrysburg, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor License Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who perform sidewalk construction repair or related work within Perrysburg. It acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with all local ordinances, codes, and project specifications. If the contractor fails to meet these obligations, the bond provides compensation to the city or affected parties for damages or non-compliance. Why is Perrysburg, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor License Bond required? This bond is required to protect the public and the city from financial losses caused by poor workmanship, incomplete projects, or violations of regulations. It ensures that contractors follow safety standards and municipal guidelines when working on sidewalks and public pathways. By requiring the bond, Perrysburg helps maintain quality infrastructure and holds contractors accountable for their work. How does Perrysburg, Ohio, Sidewalk Contractor License Bond works? The contractor principal purchases the bond from a surety company, which guarantees their performance to the city obligee. If the contractor violates the terms of the bond, a claim can be filed, and the surety may pay damages up to the bond amount. The contractor is then responsible for reimbursing the surety for any claims paid, ensuring accountability and financial responsibility. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.